This is the lecture number 11 of class 9th and chapter 2. This is the last lecture of your chapter number 2. In the previous lecture, we have learned about how to convert hexadecimal to hexa and hexa to decimal. Today, we are going to discuss the hexadecimal to binary and binary to hexadecimal. The first thing is that when you convert the hexadecimal number to binary, simply convert each hexadecimal digit to 4 digits binary value. Here is the table of the hexadecimal to binary. The procedure for creating the hexadecimal table to binary is simply that draw 4 lines or 4 columns. The first column from the left side you can add 8 zeros 8 1, and in the second column add 4 0 4 1 up to 15, and then third column from the left side add 2 zeros 2 1 2 zeros 2 1, and the last column you add 0 1 0 1 up to 15. Here on the onward 9 onward digit represent a 0 represent 10 represent A, and 11 B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 F. Here is the example how to convert hexadecimal number to binary number system. The number is A23. First, for A, the binary value is 1010. For 2, the binary value is 0010. For 3, the binary value is 0010. At the last, by combining all the binary values, we get 101010 from top to bottom. Okay. The next example, convert hexadecimal to binary 70C558, also a hexadecimal number, and you convert each hexadecimal digit into binary separately 70C558, and then you can combine your binary answer, and you can get your hexadecimal conversion into binary. The next example is how to convert binary to hexadecimal. When you convert binary number to hexadecimal number, we start making groups of 4 digits from right to left. 4-digit binary number. When you convert binary number to hexadecimal, you can make the group of 4 digits from right to left of the binary number, and then replace every group with the hexadecimal digit from the table if you have created it. The example is convert the binary number to hexadecimal. You can see here the binary number 100000 and 111. First, make the group from the right side 4 digit group, tetra 1 in the last, and then 4 zeros, and then triple zeros 1. This is the last group of your binary number, and then convert the binary number into hexadecimal equivalent. Here 1000 represents C mean 12, and tetra 4 zeros representing hexadecimal is zeros, and then tetra 1 the hexadecimal is 5 mean F mean 15. At the last, you combine all your answers into hexadecimal C0F. While making, important note is here that while making groups from right to left, if the left group has less than 4 binary digits, then we simply add zeros on the left side. For example, here is your binary number 10001 has the group from the right side 001, and 10 first group 001, and the second group 10, and by adding 2 zeros on the left, it becomes 0011 and 0010.